we add a lot of these connectors or get data from our data sources, right, into data queries, a lot of times we feel that we have a JSON kind of a data coming in, which might have a lot of complex data types as well, right, and data formats basically. So what we've done is we've added in the transformation layer at two places. Basically we've added in your query transformation layer, as well as a new kind of section as well called as DQL. DQL is nothing but DronaHQ Query Language. So it's basically tree-based querying. So in case you want to query into your JSON and do very complex operations without writing a lot of JavaScript, you can do all of that here. A typical example would be, if you have, let's say, invoices coming in, right? So let me see. This is sample data. Yeah. So let's say if I have a sample data, which is, let me just open this, which is this. Okay. Now this is a fairly non-array based kind of JSON that you can expect that would come from a REST API that you would have, right? Now, if I want to kind of filter and get, let's say, only invoice numbers from that, right? I can do payments. So if you see the raw data here, this is the raw data. So I can basically drill down to payments. And inside payments, I can go to the invoice number and I can get a list of all invoice numbers as well. Right? So if you see the transformed response, only by doing payments.invoice number, I'm able to get an array of all these invoice numbers as well. And we can do a lot more operations, which are textual operations, Boolean, number-based operations, filtering, functions, and so on and so forth. And you will see all of those articles here as well. We have a very fairly exhaustive documentation on the DQL queries as well, right? So I think that this is something that you should must try as well when you are working with complex REST JSON responses as well.